Zündung! Abgezündet!
That don't look like a rocket engine at all.
Oh!
So why are none of these not working now?
Well, I don't know. Wow. That pot maker, otherwise.
Let me know if it's going to hit me because I'm recording it.
Running. I don't get it. Are we screwing things up?
I don't know what's going on. We're having minor problems.
Oh, at least it's all out there.
Yeah, it's really lightweight.
Yeah, new hobby.
Wow. Listen to that.
Fluttering of the section.
Oh. Right
Coming
here.
in like a helicopter.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then behind us.
Oh, you know what?
Case
The case failed. That's good. That was nothing wrong.
We're good. Everything's down the side.
Well, the little one worked, but obviously the large one didn't.
Heads up, we've got to chop the casings off the back. Casing is skittering. We've got a land shark. Casing is headed downrange. May turn around. There it goes up. It decided to go up. We're skittering some more and back down. Headed out toward the big launcher and maybe giving up the ghost finally. No, it's headed back toward the Hypertech pads and lost it in the smoke. It's still having fun. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's a strong shot cord. Okay, closest to the pad.